Hello friends, today we are talking about modes of data communication. So this concept is related to networking where two devices communicate with each other by sending and receiving data. The modes of data communication in computer network is a mechanism of transferring data between devices which is connected over the network. Actually, the modes of communication is nothing but the direction of flow of the information. In simple word, we can say that the modes of communication tells us how the data is going to flow in the network. So this is the concept of modes of communication. There are three types of modes in the data communication. First one is simplex mode, second one is half duplex, and third one is full duplex. The first mode is simplex mode. In simplex mode, the communication is unidirectional, means only one direction of the data, in which the only one of the device sends the data and other one only receives the data. As you can see in the diagram, the first computer is sending the data and second one is receiving the data. So only one direction is there. Here we will discuss some examples of simplex mode, and the first example is CPU and monitor. In this example, a CPU sends data while monitor only receives the data. In the similar way, the second example is keyboard and a monitor, where keyboard is sending the data while monitor is only receiving the data. And next examples are FM radio and television. So radio and television systems also use the simplex mode of communication. So these are the few examples of simplex mode. Now we will move towards the second mode of communication, that is half duplex. In half duplex mode, each stations can transmit and receive the data but not at the same time. What it means? It means that in half duplex, when one device is sending, the other can only receive, and vice versa. This mode of communication is used in cases where there is no need for the communication in both the direction at the same time. So in such a scenario, we can use the half duplex mode. Uh, the half duplex mode demonstrate with the help of this diagram. So in this diagram, user 1 and user 2 wants to communicate. At time 1, the user 1 is sending and user 2 is receiving. But at the time 2, the user 2 is sending and user 1 is receiving. So in this scenario, the user 1 and user 2 both are sending and receiving the information, but they cannot perform both the operations at the same time. So this is about the half duplex. Now we will discuss about the example of half duplex, and the best example of a half duplex is walkie-talkie. Walkie-talkie in which messages are sent in both the directions but send one message at a time. Actually, the walkie-talkie is a half duplex device where the push to talk button is used to transmit. One person speak and other person listens. After a pause, the other person speak and first person listen. So this is the mechanism used in the walkie-talkie. The speaking simultaneously not understood. So this is about the example of walkie-talkie. Now the third mode of communication is full duplex. In full duplex, the communication is bidirectional, means the data flow in both the directions. In full duplex mode, both the stations can transmit and receive at the same time. As you can see in the diagram, both the stations can send and receive the data at the same time. And the example of full duplex is telephone system where uh, both the users can communicate at the same time. So in case of the telephone system, people at both the ends communicating with each other at the same time, means they can talk and listen at the same time. So this is about the modes of communication. Thank you.